Hey guys, well, maybe you could already maybe see what we're playing, but today we are playing Chicken Nugget World. It's Chicken Nugget World. Not too much to see here, but I mean, it is Chicken Nugget World, and we are going to be experimenting in Chicken Nugget World. Cause it's Chicken Nugget World. Yes, it is. Chicken Nugget World. Guaranteed to deliver a 6 million packs of chicken nuggets to your house whenever you play this game. It's guaranteed, guys. And make sure you hit that subscribe, the subscribe thing, whatever it's called, and the little bell, because that's cool, that's relevant. And yeah, so we're just gonna be playing Chicken Nugget World, and yeah, so it's Chicken Nugget World. Let's see what's going on here. So we have a park. That's pretty obvious, and I mean, we have chicken nuggets. You see the chicken nugget right there, and the chicken. What? There's a skinny chicken nugget. Oh God. God. They're everywhere. There's chicken. Is that the chicken nugget? Oh my God! Wait. There's a chicken nugget below us. There's chicken nuggets everywhere. What the heck? There's also like, oh my God, is that a chicken nugget wheel? Let me up. I can't get up. Alright, anyway. That is a, oh, I just fell. Anyway. I found his eye, guys. Oh wait, that's not his eye. That's his arm. Is that his arm? No, that's his leg. Why is his other leg so long? Like, we can look at this one. It's like he has 2 arms, then he has a little stub, and then he has just this like J arm. He looks very weird, except he is chicken nugget, and we cannot deny it. Oh my God. What is this? That's like the fusion nugget. If we look at it from like that angle, this one. If we look at this nugget, this singular nugget, fusion nugget's pretty cool, and I think that's where I'm gonna stop the recording, guys. And that's a pretty short video, except I don't really care.